Sadly, the magnificent ice cave no longer a cave now because the ice melted, but there's another cave though, and the people are working to build a new cave naturally. The guide is very funny and friendly. Awesome experience overalls. The driver is very passionate about his country and shares the history of each site along the way to the activity, which was useful in helping us appreciate and understand. The off-road ride there is safe and not very bumpy. You can also see how skillful the driver is. The hike itself is okay, safe and not strenuous. Only disappointment is that we had expected the ice cave to be bigger and grander, and it is actually more like a tunnel that you can walk through in less than 5 minutes. Not the prettiest. The hike itself takes a longer time. I went there in March, and since glaciers can only be seen in limited areas of Iceland, you can't see the ice caves or glaciers unless you join this tour and have a guide take you there in a jeep. I'm really glad I joined and was able to see the amazing scenery. We were picked up and dropped off in a large bus to Vik, and stopped at 2 waterfalls on the way. The driver explained about Iceland to us on the way, which was interesting. Amazing ice cave. Can't believe that it is so beautiful. The glacier is amazing. It is a new experience that sitting jeep car, it is stimulated. The guide was very knowledgeable and friendly, which made the tour fun and insightful. Had hiking the glacier and climbing it. We had an amazing tour with a small group of people. I recommended as less hassle, and the tour guide is very accommodating. Experience. Even though the ice conditions were constantly changing, it was still a great experience. Safety. They provide crampons, so you don't have to worry about falling. Instructor. The instructor explained things very well and also helped us take photos. It's great. The tour guide is very interesting and always takes care of your safety. I personally like the whole arrangement, and the intensity is moderate. Good. It was really great at the time and worth the price of admission. It was a very rich experience. The store was very enthusiastic and provided us with some other accessories. Since there are no blue ice caves available in Iceland in autumn, I chose this itinerary. The price is slightly more expensive, but it is still worth experiencing the ice cave tour. This Katla ice cave is awesome and the tour guide is professional.